point there, use it.
He even gave me my own little magic trick to take home with me. A tiny traffic light with red and amber and green sensors.
Right, and there's his little bike.
He did.